Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Thank you for your support. 2013 Nissan Altima, Judder code. Transmission was rebuilt, CD was provided, and we need to check it out and be sure that there is no Judder code, or we have to write it down. Okay, I gotta go to diagnose, transmission, I want to know how long it takes before we finish everything. Okay, this is the code that we have. You cannot clear it. Okay, how I told you that, how I can tell you about it. Ignition on, just clear it, erase. You see here, if I try to clear it, I'm gonna clear it, it never go away. Close, see, it's there. So what you need to do, go to support, write IP Judder code, click OK, get the code, Altima, this one, 1316 Altima, any one of them, choose it, open, next, car stop, look here, I don't know how they come to this, and start. Now put back, move your feet, turn the key off, 2 seconds, 1, 2, ignition on, go to the next. Now you have to write it, complete, and okay, diagnose, change to yellow, erasable, passed, close, sit. Please subscribe, share, and like.